Hi guys, today we're gonna open up my new keyboard. This is the Gigaware K28. Let's open up. By the way guys, this is a mechanical keyboard. It's a blue switch. So this is the box. Yeah, right there. It is not RGB though. It is rainbow colored backlighting. Here is the keyboard. Glossy. It has a glossy finish. Mechanical blue switches.
Wow.
Very loud. Actually. The wire is USB. Yeah. And it has a wrist rest right here. And a key switch remover. This is the manual.
Very tricky.
Yeah, I cannot understand it. Yeah, it's Chinese. So this is the light part of the video. This is the keyboard. First mode, this is the normal. Second one, it lights up when you press it. Third mode, fourth mode, fifth mode, sixth, seventh, eighth, and my favorite, the ninth. So that's all guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you again next